So hello, I'm Charlotte Wedd. I am the Change Delivery Director at Irwin Mitchell and I've been there for about 2.5 years.
And I'm Serridge. I'm a Process Improvement Manager at Irwin Mitchell. Been here for about 2 years. Initially assigned as a Grayce analyst, but since transitioned in permanently.
Our priorities are changing at the moment because over the last couple of years, as a firm, we have been embarking on a big transformation programme. And so during that time, my priorities have been how do we set up that transformation programme? How do we start to bring in capability to help us with that? Now, what we're trying to do is centralise our whole change function and our whole change capability. Transformation is part of that. So my priorities are I'm looking at the capability for all of that centralised change function and how we start to build that and create fluidity and talent coming through the pipeline. Very quickly, I really liked the operating model for Grayce. I think it provides great talent and high potential people, but also a lot of flexibility. And with us trying to build a capability where we need people in quickly, but we don't know if we need them in forever, but we want to evolve with them, if that makes sense. It's a perfect model to work with. So that really works for us. But the other thing is the type of people Grayce pass over to us. Clearly we need business analysis and project management type skills, and they've all got that to varying levels of experience. But what we also need more than anything is the ability to deal with ambiguity, to basically be able to be proactive, to take the initiative and to manage stakeholders. And the guys that come in through Grayce, even though they're not all that experienced, they seem to have that ability to be able to pick those kind of things up and run with them.
The service, in terms of accessing Grayce management, so the delivery managers and such who are dealing with the analysts that are working for me, has been pretty much flawless. I think it's been always accessible and very proactive as well. So the delivery manager is constantly reaching out to me rather than me reaching out to them, just to, even if it's just to check everything's going okay.
If Grayce provides us with a couple of people to come into our team, then what they're offering to them is the ability to go into a centralised change function that is full of portfolio analysts, business analysts, change managers, project managers, programme managers, portfolio managers, etc. So there's a whole sort of job family, if you like, and they all lend themselves very well to the kind of skills that you're trying to help Grayce develop. And we as a client would always be really open to the fact that we can help them develop through those type of roles and help them create that career path as well.
From the analyst side of things, from the analyst perspective, the best thing for me, the best thing that I got out of the programme was the level of exposure you get to big clients, to different industries, to big change programs, and to a vast network of people that ultimately opens up doors for you in the future. I joined the Grayce programme as someone who didn't necessarily know what they wanted to do for a career. I knew I didn't want to do anything to do with my degree, which was a science degree, but I wasn't quite sure what avenue of business I wanted to go down. And the Grayce programme appealed to me because you get to experience a range of roles, a range of industries, and then through that experience you can kind of shape the route you want to go down. So.